Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English is Mine, where learning English is made easy and fun with new daily vocabulary and idioms. Hi, Larson.
Hello, Sandy. It's great to be here with you once more.
We're so excited to have you here today. Thank you for all your wonderful comments on our greetings video.
Yes, we loved reading them. Today we have something very practical and useful for you.
That's right. Today we're learning about ordering food at a restaurant in English.
This is such an important skill. Whether you're traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or just want to order confidently, this lesson is for you.
Exactly. We'll teach you everything from entering the restaurant to paying the bill.
Today we'll cover 8 essential phrases and expressions you need to know. Ready?
Let's get started.
Sandy, when you first enter a restaurant, what's the first thing you need to say?
Great question. You need to tell them how many people are with you. We say table for 2 or table for 4. Table for number.
Exactly. This tells the host or hostess how many people need seats. The number can be any amount. Table for 1, table for 3, table for 6.
Right. For example, if you're alone, you say table for 1, please.
Perfect. If you're with your family of 4, table for 4, please.
Great. You can also ask, do you have a table for 2? If you're not sure they have space.
Excellent point. Sometimes restaurants are busy, so you might hear, I'm sorry, we're fully booked, or there's a 20-minute wait.
True. They might also ask, do you have a reservation? A reservation means you called ahead to book a table.
Yes. If you have a reservation, you say, yes, I have a reservation under Smith, using your last name.
Perfect. If you don't have one, no, we don't have a reservation. Is there a table available?
Great. Remember, table 4, number, tells the restaurant how many people are dining.
Now, Larson, when the waiter comes to take your order, how do you tell them what you want?
Good question. The most common and polite way is, I'd like, or I'll have. These are how you order food.
Exactly. I'd like means I would like. It's polite and perfect for restaurants.
Yes, for example, I'd like the grilled chicken, please, or I'd like a Caesar salad.
Perfect. I'll have is equally polite. I'll have the pasta, or I'll have the fish and chips.
Great examples. You can also say, can I have the burger? Or could I get the steak?
Excellent. Those are all polite ways to order. Never just say, give me, or I want. That sounds rude.
Very important point. Give me a pizza sounds demanding. I'd like a pizza, please, sounds polite and friendly.
Exactly. The waiter might ask, what would you like? Or, are you ready to order?
Yes, and you respond with, yes, I'd like the soup and sandwich combo, please.
Perfect. Remember, I'd like or I'll have polite ways to order your food.
Sometimes the menu has too many choices. What can we ask the waiter?
Great point. You can ask, what do you recommend? This means, what do you suggest or what's good here?
Exactly. Recommend means to suggest something because it's good. The waiter knows the menu well, so they can help you choose.
Right. You can ask, what do you recommend? And the waiter might say, the salmon is excellent, or our specialty is the beef stew.
Perfect. You can be more specific too. What do you recommend for vegetarians? Or what's your most popular dish?
Great questions. Another way to ask is, what's good here? Very casual and friendly.
Nice. Or what's your favorite? Asking for their personal opinion.
Excellent. The waiter might also say, I highly recommend the lasagna, meaning they strongly suggest it.
Yes, and if something's the restaurant's specialty, they might say, our chef's special today is the grilled sea bass.
Perfect. These recommendations help you choose when you're unsure. Always thank them. Thank you for the recommendation.
Great tip. Remember, what do you recommend? Asking for food suggestions.
Now, Larson, when we order a main dish, we need to know what's included, right?
Absolutely. That's when we ask, does it come with? This asks what's included with your meal.
Exactly. For example, does it come with fries? Or does it come with a salad?
Perfect. Many meals come with side dishes, extra food served with the main dish. Fries, rice, vegetables, salad are common sides.
Right. So you might ask, does the steak come with vegetables? The waiter will tell you what's included.
Great. They might say, yes, it comes with mashed potatoes and steamed broccoli, or it comes with your choice of rice or fries.
Excellent. If it says choice of, that means you can pick which one you want.
Exactly. You can also ask about drinks. Does the lunch special come with a drink?
Good question. Or about bread. Does it come with bread? Many restaurants serve bread before the meal.
Yes, and if something costs extra, they'll say, the salad is an additional $3, or the soup is extra.
Important to know. This question helps you understand what you're paying for and what's included.
Remember, does it come with asks what's included with your order.
Now, what if you don't like something in the dish or you have allergies?
Great question. You can customize your order. Say, could I have it without onions, or ask for something on the side?
Exactly. Without means you don't want that ingredient. Could I have the burger without pickles?
Perfect. Common examples: without tomatoes, without cheese, without sauce.
Right. And on the side means you want something separate, not mixed in. Could I have the dressing on the side?
Excellent. That way you control how much dressing to put on your salad.
Exactly. Other examples are, could I have the sauce on the side? Or can I get the butter on the side?
Great. This is especially important for allergies. I'm allergic to nuts. Could I have it without nuts?
Very important. Always tell them about allergies. You can also ask, does this dish contain peanuts? For safety.
Absolutely. You can also make substitutions. Could I have rice instead of fries? Or can I substitute the salad for soup?
Perfect. Most restaurants are happy to make small changes. Just ask politely. Remember, without, on the side, customizing your order to your preferences.
Larson, sometimes the waiter asks us questions too. Let's learn common questions they ask.
Yes, one question is, how is the steak? Or how is everything? They're asking if you like the food.
Exactly. This is the waiter checking if you're enjoying your meal. You can say, it's delicious, or everything is great, thank you.
Perfect responses. If something is wrong, you can politely say, actually, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?
Good example. But there's another how question that's different. The waiter might ask, how would you like your steak?
Ah, yes. This asks about how you want it cooked. For steak, you have options: rare, medium, medium well, or well done.
Exactly. Rare means very pink inside, and well done means fully cooked with no pink.
Right. You answer, medium rare, please, or well done, please.
Perfect. They might also ask, how would you like your eggs? Answer scrambled, fried, poached, or over easy.
Great. Or for burgers, how would you like that cooked? Answer the same way as steak.
Excellent. Remember, how is asks your opinion. How would you like asks how you want it prepared.
All right, you've finished eating. Now what?
Now you need to pay. You ask for the check. In American English, we say check. In British English, it's bill.
Exactly. You say, could I get the check, please? Or could we have the bill, please?
Perfect. Both are polite ways to ask for your receipt so you can pay.
Right. You can also say, check, please, or can we get the bill?
Yes. The waiter will bring you the check in a small folder or tray.
Exactly. Then you look at the total. Sometimes the tip is included, sometimes it's not.
Good point. In the U.S., tipping is expected, usually 15 to 20% of the bill. In other countries, it might be included as a service charge.
Right. You can ask, is the tip included or is service included?
Perfect question. Then you pay with cash or card. If paying with card, the waiter takes it and brings it back with the receipt.
Exactly. In some modern restaurants, you might pay at the table with a tablet or at the counter when you leave.
True. Just ask, do I pay here or at the register if you're unsure?
Remember, check, bill, the paper showing what you need to pay.
Sandy, what if you can't finish all of your food?
Great question. You can take it home. Ask, could I get a doggy bag or could I get a to-go box?
Exactly. A doggy bag or to-go box is a container for leftover food to take home.
Right. It's called a doggy bag because originally people said it was for their dog, but really they eat it themselves.
That's funny. Nowadays, everyone knows you're taking it home for yourself, and that's perfectly normal.
Exactly. You can say, "Could I get a box for this?" Or, "Can I have a container for the leftovers?"
Perfect. The waiter will bring you a box or container, and you can pack up your food.
Yes. Sometimes they'll offer, "Would you like me to box that up for you?" You can say, "Yes, please. Thank you."
Great. This is very common in America, where portions are large. Don't be shy. It's normal to take food home.
Absolutely. It's actually smart. You get 2 meals for the price of one.
Exactly, and it prevents food waste, much better than leaving it.
Remember, doggy bag, to-go box, container for taking leftover food home.
Wonderful. Let's review all 8 phrases quickly.
Number 1, table for number, telling them how many people.
Number 2, I'd like or I'll have, politely ordering your food.
Number 3, what do you recommend, asking for suggestions.
Number 4, does it come with, asking what's included.
Number 5, without or on the side, customizing your order.
Number 6, how is or how would you like, questions from the waiter.
Number 7, check bill, asking to pay.
Number 8, doggy bag or to-go box, taking leftovers home.
Perfect review.
Now let's practice with a full restaurant conversation. Sandy, you be the waiter, I'll be the customer.
Perfect. As waiter. Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, we don't. Table for 2, please.
Of course. Follow me, please. Here's your table. I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu.
Thank you.
Around 2. Are you ready to order or do you need more time?
Yes, we're ready. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is excellent today, and the mushroom risotto is very popular.
The salmon sounds good. Does it come with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with roasted vegetables and your choice of rice or mashed potatoes.
Perfect. I'll have the salmon with rice, please. And could I have the sauce on the side?
Absolutely. How would you like the salmon cooked?
Medium, please.
Excellent choice. And for drinks?
Just water for now, thank you.
Coming right up.
Later, excuse me, could I get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring that right away. How was everything?
It was delicious, thank you. Oh, and could I get a box for this? I can't finish it all.
No problem. I'll bring the check and a container. Is the tip included?
Actually, could you tell me, is service included in the bill?
No, service is not included, but of course that's up to you.
Thank you for everything.
See how natural that conversation was? You now know exactly what to say at each step.
Wonderful. Before we finish, here are some important restaurant tips.
Tip 1. Always be polite. Say please and thank you to your waiter. They're working hard.
Tip 2, if you have dietary restrictions or allergies, tell them immediately. Don't be shy, it's important for your health.
Tip 3. It's okay to ask questions about the menu. That's what waiters are there for. Ask about ingredients, portions, preparation.
Tip 4, if something is wrong with your food, politely tell them right away. Don't wait until you've eaten most of it.
Tip 5. Learn tipping customs for the country you're in. In the US, 15 to 20% is standard. Other countries might be different.
Tip 6, don't be afraid to take food home. It's completely normal and reduces waste.
Great tips. These will help you have a wonderful dining experience.
Excellent. You now know how to order food at a restaurant confidently in English.
Practice these phrases with friends or even by yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
Remember, restaurants are friendly places. Don't be nervous. Everyone is there to enjoy good food.
Don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us, have you ordered food in English before? How did it go?
And let us know what restaurant vocabulary you want to learn next. Maybe menu items, types of cuisine?
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to English is Mine for more practical English lessons.
Next time, we'll teach you how to use public transportation in English. Super useful.
Take care, everyone, and keep learning.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, everyone.